Hi guys, today we're looking at moving averages. What is a moving average? It's a line that represents the average of an asset or a market over time. We've got a moving average on. This is a 50 exponential moving average, and it's taken the previous 50 periods. So when I say period, each candle, it's averaged it and it's given me this price here, 3290. Now there are lots of different types of moving average. The two most popular are simple and exponential. Now, a simple moving average gives weight to the longer term and is less sensitive to short-term spikes, whereas an exponential, it puts more weight to recent prices and is more responsive to current or recent price changes. I tend to lean to the exponential, but it's up to you which one you use. How do you use a moving average when you're trading? I consider there to be three main ways. One is to identify direction. Anything above this moving average, we can consider that as an uptrend. You can also use it as support and resistance levels, or dynamic support and resistance. Again, in this example, if we were to make it a shorter moving average, 100, you can see it tested it here, tested it twice, so it's become support twice, and then this becomes a buy zone. Because it's shown in the past that it's held as a support zone, any test and rejection of this moving average becomes a buy zone. So that's two ways you can use it. The other one is crossover signals. Now you can see here we've got a few instances where the faster moving average here is crossed over the slower moving average here. So that's when we're getting a signal that this trend is slowing or reversing. Now, one thing with moving averages you need to be careful of is in a sideways market. Sideways markets like this can give you lots of false signals. So what do I mean by a sideways market? I mean a market that's not trending. Everything's a bit all over the place, and you can see that the moving averages here are giving off all sorts of signals. It's really important to identify a trending market and only really use these in trending markets. And that's it for moving averages today. Thanks very much, guys.